Hello, I'm Michael Kapinski, Senior Product Manager for Flow Cytometry Reagents at Beckman Coulter Life Sciences. I have the great pleasure today not only to introduce the brand new DuraClone RE AML antibody panels, the latest addition to our DuraClone kit family for blood disorder research, but also to welcome our collaboration partners from the St. Anna Children's Cancer Research Institute here in Vienna that were more than instrumental in developing these powerful flow cytometry MRD tools. Professor Dr. Michael Dworzak, leading the phenotyping studies of the International I-BFM Consortium, and Margarita Mavrakovskaya. Thanks a lot for taking the time today to join me here at the Danaher Vienna 1 Training Center. DuraClone kits have set a new paradigm of flow cytometry standardization on the benches of many clinical researchers and are acclaimed for their consistent high quality, the lean workflow, and the substantially reduced risk for sample preparation errors. Michael, when you think back of the first time you used DuraClone kits in your lab, what was your perception of that technology?
It became instantly clear to me how this built-in stringency would transform our multicentric studies at the I-BFM group. The methods we had developed in the lab suddenly became much easier to transfer to many other labs in the consortium.
Margarita, you oversee a lab that uses the DuraClone kits every day. What is your take on DuraClone? Could you imagine the lab returning to liquid antibody cocktailing?
So there is no doubt we have adopted the DuraClone as an integral part of our clinical trial work. We certainly do not want to miss them again. As every sample is reflecting a unique pathology, the real value of the DuraClone unfolds when using the panels as backbones and adapted by the addition of markers, for example, to track a specific aberrant phenotype. This flexibility is indispensable for the studies we conduct within the I-BFM Consortium. With the LiB and the CFU tubes, we realized a modular approach to AML MRD that provides a framework for tracking aberrant phenotypes with the LiB panel and for the assessment of the myeloid hematopoiesis with the CFU panel. Thus, we can ensure a targeted and economically viable analytical approach.
Identical to the RE panel, the RE AML panel started as custom design versions that were used for thousands of samples before we were absolutely confident to have the right tools at hand for our research projects. It feels just fantastic to see that we have made some impact, that the methods we developed now are accessible to many other researchers worldwide and can be easily adopted.